Vertiv concludes Vertiv Express Masterclass series for Mumbai. TEAMGROUP launches the X1 Max USB 3.2 GEN2 X1 flash drive designed for business professionals. Surveillance Redefined, CP plus Envisions a safer, smarter India. Canon India enhances its apprenticeship training program under Skill India initiative in collaboration with Japan India Institute for Manufacturing, JIM. BenQ launches 540Hz Esports monitor ZOWIE XL2586X and U2 wireless mouse, taking FPS gaming experience to all new level. Rashi Peripherals kickstarts multi-city channel Roadshow CBF 2024. G.SKILL memory achieves 31 overclock records during Computex 2024 time frame. Acer becomes #1 desktop PC brand in very large enterprise segment and retains its #1 PC brand spot in education segment. Epson retains the No.1 position in the Indian projector market for the 8th consecutive year. Hope and NVIDIA announce NVIDIA AI computing by Hope to accelerate generative AI industrial revolution. Please visit www.ncnonline.net to read full reports.